Hello, hello everyone. Today we will see what is the comfort of life, the secret of living. Comfort is the ultimate secret of living. Now, how this comfort is secret in views of financial, medical, and psychological and business point of view. Here, one simple point is that detailed situation of anything will tell us that we will go for comfort. In that sense, we are reducing the risk. So here is one article, interesting article, and the title is Detailed Knowledge of a Situation Can Make It Seem Less Risky, says study. So knowledge is the prime factor, and if knowledge we are having and that knowledge is full, thorough, whatever be the situation, event which are organizing and which are organizing in future, we have to see that how that event will be there and what will be the problems, what will be the risky events, what are the favorable factors. We have to see this, and we will get a successful and very nice event and situation. Here we will see the detailed of it. New research from the University of California, San Diego, sheds light on how people pursue risks, finding that detailed knowledge of probabilities can make risks seem less risky. For example, if people are informed that 27% of population carries okay, so here it is very important. 27% of population carries at least one copy of a gene that can cause Alzheimer disease. They may worry they have that gene. Alzheimer disease is dementia problem, loss of memory problem. Okay, so however, if you specify that this occurs because 25% have one copy of gene and 2% have two copies of gene, the subjective perception of risk becomes less urgent. Yet, it is still true that 27% of people carry a gene that could lead to Alzheimer's. There's something about learning those individual probabilities that shift the way you think about the risk and to cause you to actually reduce your estimate it will occur, said Uma R. Karmakar, study co-author and assistant professor of marketing and innovation at UC San Diego's Rady School of Management and School of Global Policy and Strategy. The results are based on findings that were replicated in more than a dozen different experiments with more than 1,500 participants living across US. Okay, the participants in the study were divided into three groups. All groups were provided with information that every single person has a 58% chance of getting a flea bite that causes a newly discovered bacterial infection. Okay. Now, one group saw that the bites could come from various types of fleas, and this caused them to think a flea bite was more likely. A different group saw various types of fleas, and the probability of a bite from each type receiving the explicit probability information led them to pursue the initial warning as less likely to happen. Giving all those independent reasons with their probabilities may seem like it would enhance a recognition of how important an event is, but can actually diminish the overall risk, Karmakar said. When this happens, the unlikelihood effect comes into play. This means is that providing specific information on probabilities can help alleviate the fear of negative outcomes. While the study focused on health risks, author also tested the theory using potential positive outcomes such as winning a lottery. Alongside the overall probability of hitting the jackpot, some subjects received supplementary information such as, if I pull a colored ball from this urn, you will win $50. Okay, this additional information made subjects pursue themselves as less likely to win in positive scenarios. The likelihood effect still holds. Okay, so detailed situation of detailed knowledge of a situation can make it seem less risky. Okay, guys. So thank you.